megemlítette, hogy kint Angliában van munkalehetőség.
This man, a Hungarian who we're calling Frederick, was, however, grateful to the police. He was trafficked to the UK from his homeland and ended up fraudulently obtaining expensive mobile phones for his boss to sell on the black market.
Akkoriban ment a iPhone.
He'd sell them for about £1,000 each, he says. I obtained 16 for him. After 4 months, he eventually plucked up the courage to escape and went to the police. He was then transferred to a safe house run by the Salvation Army and a charity called City Hearts. Frederick's positive experience shows how the system can work, but today's report highlights how often it fails. Researchers say only a complete overhaul, passing new legislation, establishing an anti-slavery commissioner, training more officials to spot traffickers and their victims, will prevent the current system from failing more people.